Welcome to Disney Day 2. We're going to Epcot today.
Yes.
Yes.
We're starting a little later.
We're walking to the Skyliner.
We're gonna drink around the world.
Yes, we are on this hot day.
And we don't have multi-pass today, so
Yeah, we'll just
see
have
how
to
it goes, but
go with the flow a little bit.
hopefully we can still get on some rides. He wanted to say hi.
He wanted to say hi.
Limo.
Outfit of the day for Epcot. Go.
I'm wearing an athletic dress from Amazon. And my New Balances, black ears, and Limo.
Limo! Alright, I've probably seen this outfit before because I have worn it on a previous Disney trip. Just this top from, I forget actually. And I got these at H&M, my shorts.
Nice.
And just the same shoes. And the red ears with the red bow.
Cute.
Yeah.
We walked a lot yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're taking it a little slower.
Little sore this morning. Gonna try and get a Joffrey's donut. Yes.
A nice, nutritious breakfast.
Yeah.
There's the couple. There she is.
Sorry. Got the goods. She's gorgeous. And then I just got a iced vanilla latte. Amber's still waiting on her donut, but I got us a seat in the Canadian Pavilion.
Yay.
Amber has finally gotten her donut. Pink. Good?
So moist.
Nice. And what'd you get? Vanilla?
Iced vanilla latte.
Yeah, me too. All right, this is our breakfast. Guys, look, it's so pretty. So gorgeous. All right, we got more pin boxes.
Round 2.
It's a droid box, so I have full of different options. But I want to get R2-D2, C-3PO, or BB-8, obviously. But there's a bunch of other droids that I don't know. I'd show the camera. If it's backwards, I never know. Oh. Cute. I don't know if this is like upright.
I knew it was gonna be R2.
How'd you know?
I don't know. I was just like, I feel like it's R2.
All right, it's a good one.
And I got Disney villains again, and obviously I want Cruella, but I'll also be happy with Maleficent. And I have Captain Hook and the Evil Queen. So nervous. So nervous. Oh, I got this guy.
Emperor's New Groove or
Maybe
something?
I think so.
We got it.
But I
A
don't
guy.
have him, so that's good at least.
Yeah, at least it's not a repeat.
Alrighty. Give me Cruella.
Come on.
Maleficent. Oh.
Hey. Come on.
Finally! Yes, the cast member was like, she's like, which one do you want? And I'm like, I really want Cruella. She's like, okay, I'm manifesting it for you. So thank you to that cast member for manifesting Cruella for me.
Yeah. The clip we took was like really echoey, and I don't know why. So just in case I don't include it in the vlog, we'll recap which pins we got. So I got this one, R7A7, and I also got R2D2, which is the one that I wanted. So.
Okay, as we know, I got Disney villains again, and I really want Cruella. I already have the Evil Queen and Captain Hook. So the first pin I got was this guy. I forget what his name is, but I don't have it, so that's fine. And then, drum roll, Cruella! I got her finally, so I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay, more pins to add to our collection.
Okay, bye.
We're in Club Cool now.
Gonna get the Beverly.
Gonna get the Beverly. All right.
Got 4 by accident.
So good. Viva? Oh, I don't remember liking this one.
From Moldova. Oh god.
Try it. It's so weird. No.
Ew.
Stir.
The Philippines watermelon is good.
Ooh, I like the Madagascar one. Madagascar? It tastes like banana medicine.
Banana medicine?
Yeah, banana medicine.
I love banana medicine. It smells like good penicillin.
You're like, you're going down with me.
Hey, Beverly. Cheers. It's just the aftertaste is like soapy.
Yeah, it's getting sour.
Soap. But like when you first
Yeah,
drink
when you
it, it's
smell
fine.
it. When you smell it, it smells good.
But I do like Madagascar a lot.
Yeah.
The banana medicine.
First drink in Mexico.
I got a strawberry frozen margarita.
Yeah, I got the Fiesta frozen margarita.
And I just spilled it.
Pretty good.
We just finished our margaritas. Yeah. Now we're this is Norway.
Oh, sorry, the next pavilion is Norway. We thought it was China.
China's over there.
Yeah.
This is Norway.
What are we gonna get in Norway?
A beer.
A beer.
And I think we're gonna share our second drink.
Yeah.
We're already a little bit tipsy after.
So, anyways, we're trying to locate a bathroom now. There must be one nearby. Oh, restrooms. All right, update you later. I forgot to vlog, but this is our second drink in Norway. It's a beer.
Beer.
It's the juniper beer.
Hmm.
Got it at our kiosk over there. It's good.
Yeah. We're just enjoying the views of Norway.
Yeah.
Anna and Elsa. We're gonna finish this beer and then head to China for our third drink. Bye!
Where are we?
We're in China.
In China.
We're gonna get a tropical moon.
Yeah. Hi.
Third drink.
We got our third drink.
I got a piece of boba in that.
I forget the name already.
Tropical moon.
Tropical moon. We're in China. That's all we have to say. We should get food soon, but
Yeah, we haven't eaten since the donut.
no. Cheers.
Yummy.
Yummy. Smells amazing in here.
I'm gonna get a butter bar.
We got a butter bar. Butter bar in Germany.
This looks yummy. Wow. Okay, wait. How is it?
Wow.
It's like shortbread. And caramel in the middle.
It was so good. I keep forgetting to vlog. But we stopped in Germany. We got another beer. It tastes like the last one in I almost said Normandy. Norway. We're trying to get a pizza through the window at pizza. Yeah, sorry, we're in Italy now. I'm not really good at updating. Italia. Because we need food. All we've had today was a donut. Hi, everyone.
Pizza.
I got pizza. It's so good. Look at the thick cheese. Tell the story.
Okay, so we were like standing in line
And they're like, the guys at the pizza window are cute. I go up to get my pizza. He's like, oh, I like your tattoos. I'm like, thank you. And then he says, oh, I saw you standing in line. Do you have Instagram? And I go, yeah. Okay, I won't show it, but he writes his Instagram and gives me a receipt back. Creepy. It was kind of funny.
But like, it's like he probably does it to everyone and it's creepy.
But funny story.
Yeah.
Pizza's good. We're in, what are we in?
We're in the president's thingy in America.
But we're at the exit and no one's in here and it's really creepy. But it's nice and cool and air conditioned, so we're just drinking.
The only reason why we're in here.
We got a moonshine sour in America. Really good.
Yeah. We might end the drinking here.
Yeah, and continue tomorrow night. Anyways,
yeah, we handled that pretty well, I think.
We're just chilling. We might go to the land pavilion and do Living with the Land.
Yeah.
And Soarin' or something. Maybe Spaceship Earth. And then we'll skedaddle out of here, go take a break, and then head to Disney Springs.
We're gonna do a bit of shopping before our reservation.
At the boathouse. I'm very excited.
Me too. We've been here for a while, but
Yeah.
I feel like we've like barely.
We've just been leisurely walking around.
Yeah. Very leisurely, we'll put it that way.
Yeah.
Like we've made it like halfway through.
But like compared to how fast we went yesterday, like this is a nice like pace.
Yeah. Nobody.
Not a single soul.
Just the way we like it. Goodbye.
Bye.
Are getting worse. We're tripping, y'all. Is that a mammoth?
Yeah.
Roar. That was our ancestors. More mammoths. We need to update this ride.
I know, but I kind of love it.
We're tripping. Tripping balls. Oh. No, we can stay here. I'll stay. Delicious.
Hello.
Hello.
We are at the boathouse with a beautiful view.
Yeah, we've teleported from Epcot.
We got very, very tired.
Yeah,
Because we drank too much.
I'm finally sober now, I think. Even when I woke up from my nap, I wasn't sober.
And we're about to have another drink.
Yeah, but just one.
Yeah.
And the sun has gone down, so a lot nicer.
It's a lot cooler out. We're not like dying of heat and dehydration.
Yeah.
I think that was a big part of it.
Yeah, but we needed to do it, and we're going to continue tomorrow.
Yes.
We only got five pavilions done out of 11. So.
But we're going back to Epcot tomorrow night, so I feel like in the evening we'll be a little bit more
I think that's
excited.
the trick.
Yeah.
To drink around the world in the evening.
Yeah.
Because the sun was a little much.
Yeah.
Anyways.
But yeah, it's been like a very chill day. We really haven't done much. We drank around the world and then, oh my god. Thank you so much.
Very welcome. Enjoy.
Okay, wow.
Intermission, we got our drinks.
We got our drinks. Look how cute this is.
Anyways.
Sorry, we got really distracted.
Yeah, we have not been good at updating the vlog today, so we blame the alcohol.
Yeah. As we order more.
More alcohol.
Take a sip.
Look at the drink. Take a sip. Is it good?
Oh, wow.
Really?
It's very good.
Oh.
It's a little bit sour. Kind of like blue raspberry flavor. We're at Summer House on the lake at the cookie bar. We got cookies.
I got the snickerdoodle one.
And I got the scotchy. It's like a butterscotch.
It smells so good.
Okay, want to take a bite? Wow.
I like it. No more words. A lot of our food reviews are like, I like it.
Yeah, I know. There's like oatmeal in this and like a ton of butterscotch chips. It's very good.